Introducing the Hung-Rite HVAC equipment hanger. The Hung-Rite equipment hanger is a simplistic, quick, and quality tool for installing horizontal equipment. Use it to hang air handlers, furnace and coil sets, and geothermal units weighing up to 400 pounds. For commercial applications, use the pre-drilled holes for threaded rod. There is no assembly required with this hanger. Just unbox and go. When unfolded and installed, the Hung-Rite hanger has a 66-inch by 16-inch frame, supported by 10-foot cables. The cables utilize cable locks for fast lifting and precise leveling. The cables are supported by 3.5-inch bolts, made long for maximum versatility. Uneven ceilings are no problem for Hung-Rite. No longer do you have to leave an installation looking like this. On your next installation, take a Hung-Rite HVAC equipment hanger. Simply unpackage and unfold the frame. Make your holes and secure the bolts. And now you're ready to hang it right. Any air handler up to 5 tons will fit comfortably on a Hung-Rite equipment hanger, and attaching plenums and drain pans of any size is no problem. The benefits of the hanger don't end there. Hung-Rite preserves the integrity of the equipment. Nothing will bow or warp. Noise-reducing foam means quieter unit operation for your customers. And future maintenance will be quick and easy when the unit is unobstructed. For more information, go to hung-rite.com.